The data displayed on the FusionSolar app is abnormal. Take the following actions for troubleshooting. Check the DC side. Check the AC side. Check configurations. Check the DC side. For details, see the video. No input voltage on the PV terminal of the inverter. Check the AC side. For details, see the video. No output voltage on the AC terminal of the inverter. Perform the following steps to check the configurations. Check whether the local grid code is set. If not, correct the grid code. Set the grid code on the FusionSolar app. On the home screen, choose Set. Check or set grid code on the Grid Parameters screen. Set the grid code on the Smart PVMS. Choose Monitoring. Monitoring from the main menu. Select the target inverter. Check or set grid code on the Configuration tab page. Adjust the grid parameters. Startup voltage upper threshold of grid connection. Startup voltage lower threshold of grid connection. Startup frequency upper threshold of grid connection. Startup frequency lower threshold of grid connection. Voltage threshold for 10-minute overvoltage protection. Level 1 overvoltage protection threshold. Level 1 undervoltage protection threshold. Level 1 over frequency protection threshold. Level 1 under frequency protection threshold. Ensure that the grid frequency and voltage are within the threshold ranges. Detect the grid voltage and frequency. Use a multimeter to measure the grid voltage and frequency. Compare with the values reported by the inverter on the app. If the difference is small, the grid voltage and frequency of the inverter are normal. Otherwise, the device needs to be replaced.